Another addition strategy is called regrouping. When you are regrouping, it's important that you always stack the numbers on top of each other. And when you stack the numbers on top of each other, you always want to start with the largest number on top. Truly, in addition, it doesn't really matter what order you stack them in. However, in subtraction, it does matter. So we're just going to make a good habit of always putting the largest number on top. So my largest number in this equation would be 375. I'm then going to add 285 directly underneath, lining up the hundreds, tens, and the ones. Now, in order to show the thinking behind this regrouping strategy, I am going to be writing some things off to the side, but you do not need to do this on your homework. So I am going to start with the one spot because in the regrouping strategy, it's important to always start with the lowest value. So we'll start with the ones, then move to the tens, and then to the hundreds. In my one spot, I have 5 plus 5. That equals 10. So notice I'm going to write this off to the side. In the number 10, I have a 0 in the one spot, and I have a 1 in the 10th spot. So that's exactly how I'm going to write it down below the line. I have a 0 in the one spot. The 110 needs to go and be carried into the 10th spot because there's other 10s that need to be added. So now I can add the 10s together. I have 1 plus 7, which is 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So I'm going to write 16 tens, which is actually a total of 160. The 0 is in the one spot. I don't need to do anything with that because adding 0 will not change the answer. So I just ignore the 0 right now and then go to my 6 tens. 6 tens needs to be written right down below my 10th spot, and I have 100 that needs to be carried into the 100th spot. Now I can add my hundreds together. 100 plus 3 plus 2 is a total of 6, and so I can just write my 600 directly below and circle my answer. Now I'm going to do another problem, this time without the extra writing to the side. Let's say I've got 374 plus 148. I'm going to start in my one spot. I've got 4 plus 8, which equals 12. So I am going to put my 2, which is in the one spot, and then carry the 1. So that really equals 12. The 110 needs to be added to the 7 tens, which is 8, plus 4 more, which is again 12 tens. So I'm going to put the 2 here and carry the 1 into the 100th spot. I now have 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is 500. And 22 is my total answer, and I circle it. If you would like some additional help on understanding the thinking behind regrouping, there is a great website that we will be taking a look at in class as well called Virtual Manipulatives. And you can take a look at that, go to addition, and enjoy working with some manipulatives there that could certainly help you with regrouping. Enjoy your homework.